Hi everyone, Jeff Smith here. Today I'd like to talk about money equals feelings. Talking about money is like grabbing an electric fence you didn't know was electric. In other words, shocking and not very pleasant. We've been taught, if we were taught anything about money, that it's about spreadsheets and calculators. It should be rational and reasonable. But then we go open the Amex bill with our spouse or partner, and suddenly we find ourselves in a fight. If money is all about spreadsheets, how does greed fit into a spreadsheet? How about fear? How about the concern that you're not going to be able to provide the life for your kids that you'd hoped? We all know, no matter how worried, scared, or excited we're feeling, 2 plus 2 always equals 4. But when it comes to money, 2 plus 2 equals all kinds of emotions, like fear, greed, insecurity, pride, and more. The sooner we realize that this is true, the sooner we can begin having realistic expectations around what it's like to talk about money. Look, I get it. Talking about money is hard. But just because it's hard doesn't mean we should avoid it. In fact, as is often the case with difficult things, talking about money can actually be very fulfilling once you learn to do it correctly. The first step, though, is to simply acknowledge what the conversation is about. Math does not equal money. Money does not equal math. Money equals feelings. I've got a special guest with us today.
Hi, it's Will Smith. It's nice to see you guys. Have a good day.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Bye.